Finally, let's look at the end process state. Here we had input arrows and outgoing arrows, but in this we have only in transitions and there is no out transitions available. This process is the end of this RE framework. If I just double click on that, you can see it is surrounded by a try catch. Here we have few XAMLs. So one XAML is to close all the applications. There are few applications which we can't kill directly, we have to soft close them. For that, this particular XAML is available. You can use close. So it totally depends on the application that you're using. If you're using an application, some kind of application, you can drag this, or if you're trying to close a browser, you can use this. So this particular XAML is used to close whatever applications we have opened for the processing or for the automation. Coming back, in the finally, we have nothing. So you can even place anything that you want. If you want to send out some emails, you can place them over here. And coming back to catch, if something here has gone wrong, what happens is you will be sent to catch, where you're catching something, and here, because we have tried to soft close it but it has failed, we are trying to kill it right now. If I just open this particular XAML, we have kill process, XAML flow, and you can use kill process activity, and you can pass that particular process name to kill it. That was about this particular end process. It will try to close all the applications and sign out all the applications that we have just used. That is the main purpose of this particular state. That is the end of this particular RE framework's explanation.